Hello everyone, this is the fifth album that I am showing today that is for sale. This is my Stamperia New England album that I had taught how to make in a tutorial, and this is going to be sold. This one it measures 8 3/4 by 7 inch, and it has about a 4-inch spine, it looks like here, approximately anyway. And I'll just take you around. This will be semi-loose, so that you can still get some photos in there. So let's take a look at it. Alright, so here on our first page we have a cute little side pocket down here, and it has a little picture mat, or you can use this as a tag. In any case, you can plant a photo right here if you wish, and then use this as a tag to write about it. It is not double-sided, it's one-sided. So we flip that out, and there is a tag here that you can journal or place a photo right on there, and behind here kind of holds some picture mats. Here we have a large pocket, and we have several picture mats in there. Different sizes for you, and here is the pocket. It's very pretty. This is a special album. This is the one where I first showed how to make a picture wheel, and we'll get to that page shortly. This is magnetic, as you can see, and it just flips up. Great place for a photo if you want it, even up in here. This folds down, and this is a free-floating large picture mat. And it just stays contained because of the magnets in there. Here is a spot just to plant a photo. Over here at the bottom, there's a little side pocket, and I have a little tag, or use this as a picture mat. This page, this flips up and has this area. You can place a photo here or use it for journaling, whatever you want. Up front here, this is a fold out, but first of all, I put this, it's one of my DBS bird cages, and I use it so that it's not only a cute embellishment, but you can place things back behind. So here are some picture mats for this. And if you didn't want to use these here, you can just put a photo here and use these elsewhere in the album. Completely up to you. So this folds out. Great place right here for a photograph. Same over here. And you open it up, and there is a pocket over here with the picture mat. And on picture mats, if you don't want to cover up the pretty paper, you can always mount your pictures on the back. Or you can mount your picture and just use the edge. It's up to you. Everyone has their own style. Here we have a belly band. This just slides out, and it stores the photos. This is a large side pocket, and I've got 3 picture mats there. Okay, picture wheels over here, and I'll explain that in just a moment, what and how that works, and how you would actually get your photos to place. Here is a little fold out. You can place a photo here if you'd like, and it folds out. Great space right there. There is a double pocket. There are 4 little discs in here that I store, and this one is for this. There is a little area here, but it pokes it out so much, but for now I'm just going to stick those little 4 discs over there. Small pocket up front with a couple picture mats. We have a little tag, and then back here we have a larger photo mat, and it just kind of goes on in. Okay, picture wheel time. So there is a little pull tab, and the idea of this is so that when you turn it, you'll see a picture here, 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 and here. These discs are your templates. So what you would want to do is find a photograph, a small one. You could place this over the main picture of what you wanted. Perhaps you have a grandchild or grandchildren in a group and you want to show them for the different years. Perhaps it's Christmas. Perhaps it's just something. Anyway, you would place this over the photograph. And let's just say, I had a piece of paper. Let's just say this is the photograph. So, and this is the face. Hello. How's that? So what you would do is just slap this over it, and then you could draw around your photograph. Okay, you would cut that out, and then you can glue it on top of this. And okay, so then once you have that, when it's in place, you would put some glue. Do not use double-sided tape or anything. It'll get stuck. Glue, you can at least maneuver it back behind. So then it's glued down and you can move it more into place. Okay, so then you would do the same for these. So that when you did turn it, and since these aren't glued down, I don't know how well they're going to stay. You can, oh, I hear Sissy in the background barking. Sorry, guys. The barking always happens when I'm filming. I'm sorry. So anyway, we're going to the next pages here. Right up front here, we have a small picture mat that can slide right back behind this oval. And then a large pocket in the back. Some larger picture mats. And this is the paper that I used was a Stamperia New England paper. Loved it. Here, this is a fold out, but over here we have a side pocket. Just kind of slip those back in. All right, here we have two pockets, larger picture mat. And I'm going to move quicker through this because the dogs hear something. And that. Okay, next page is kind of the same idea as what we had before. Just kind of tucks back behind these two. Over here, what we have is a magnetic band, and it just flips up, and we have a side waterfall, and you just flip these and place your photos. One right here too. Last page, Ask Pages. This is a short page that I ended up putting in there. It's not quite as long as these, but I had some extra room and I wanted to do something like that. It's kind of cute. So over here is a large pocket. We have some larger picture mats back there. And we have this little oval, and I have a little tag right there. Slides back in. This is the half page, and I just stuck a picture mat in this. Over here is a place just to plant your photo. Last page, this is magnetic fold out, but this will actually hold a small little photograph. And it just opens up. Plant a photo here, plant a photo here, here, here. So that is my album that is for sale. And I think I got one more actually. It's my wedding album that I'll be featuring here. Happy crafting, everyone.